What's up, everybody? So, let's say you have the perfect outfit, but you wanna cinch, smooth, and lift. Well, I'm about to show you all my secrets on how to make that happen. Here are some amazing behind the scenes fashion tips behind your clothes, your underclothes. So first things first, I'm gonna start with my favorite undergarment ever created. It is the SPANX bodysuit. Now what I love about this is, if you've ever worn undergarments like SPANX, I hate it when they're separates and the bottoms just starts rolling down and the entire night you're like tugging. Can't stand that. So I love that this was created. I call it my little gymnast suit. It comes in nude and it also comes in black. I own like a million of these. And I wear them almost every single day, especially on the reel, because they really make me feel snug and like everything's smooth and held together. And I've even got it on right now. It's my little secret. And when I take it off, I actually still feel pretty cute. I just feel like I look like Dominique Moceanu for my 80s kids out there. You know, I just wanna stand there and be like, yes, give me a score. It's very gymnast sexy. The only thing I would say is, if you've got larger bosoms, you might wanna still wear a bra either over this, because it can sometimes just flatten them out a bit and you still wanna have that definition and a really good round shape. So I might recommend still wearing a bra. Definitely my fave undergarment. Moving right along, one of my favorite tricks I ever learned was the packing tape trick. Now, I used to talk about this even on the reel. It was like my #1 go-to secret. I originally used to call these booby suspenders to literally lift up my breast, tape it over my shoulder, and it was perfect. But guess what? Packing tape is no longer needed. They've actually invented and patented a real version intended for your breast so that you're not like waxing your nipples anymore or injuring yourself. So, no more need for this. Now we have the push-up tape. I'm obsessed with this. It comes in different colors and it actually coordinates with your own skin color. As you can see, it comes with these little nipple covers that protect your nipples from the tape so that you don't rip one off, you feel me? Actually, it looks more like an ace bandage, but the tape is not too harsh for your skin, which is super important. But at the same time, it lasts long enough that you can go to a party. Even if you sweat a little bit, it won't slip off. I know you guys have seen those dresses with huge plunging necklines, or you've seen some women wear like killer suits that are open down the middle with just necklaces. All of us love that look, but you know that if you've got breasts that are larger than a B cup, it's gonna be a rare situation, if they're real, that they're gonna be sitting up here. So, I love the fact that this tape literally just holds it in place. No one wants to see a flapjack from the side. We all know what that looks like. It is not cute. You definitely want them to be up, a nice round look, and this is definitely how you can get that. What I also love about this brand, Push-Up Tape, is that you can go on their website and they've got tons of tutorials, because clearly I can't really show you how it's done. That would be inappropriate. Next up is for the ladies that are trying to wear things that are backless, but you still need a bra, but it would look really, really tacky if everybody saw your bra strap. Gotta love these. I know you guys have seen these in like Victoria's Secrets and other places that sell them. What I love about this is that it actually has padding here, but this padding is not to make your breast look larger, but actually to just give it a nice lift. This one here is actually from Fashion Forms, and it's the Ultimate Boost Adhesive Bra, but again, this is intended for a woman with smaller breasts. It still gives you that perfect lift, and again, you don't have any back to it, which is the point. So you can wear a backless dress and it looks like you've gone bra-free, but haha, oh no, you've got the strapless bra. I actually found out about another cool product for women who have larger breasts who have to wear a bra. So my sister was just here and she actually put me onto this product that's actually called Backstory. I think this is freaking genius on so many levels. I know so many of us have worn backless dresses and you're like, oh, but I need to wear a bra. Guess what? This now makes it look very intentional and like you accessorize your bra strap with these different Velcros. I'm gonna just show you the videos that I took. She took it with her, but I was like, this is so smart.
Wants to go on a date night with her husband, and she just put me on to the dopest thing ever. They're called Backstory, and they literally
even the name is cute. Backstory.
Like the strap of your bra in the back, instead of it looking like, damn, it's a backless dress. Why does she
have a bra on? Instead, it
makes it look intentional. It actually accessorizes
what she said. Okay, so this was what she wore.
So how cute is this jumper?
But that looks terrible, come on.
Crazy. Turn around.
That looks nuts.
Yeah, that looks so wrong. Okay, so we're actually going to add this.
That, you see? And then that would look intentional. They also have them in like diamonds, so if you have a dressy outfit, literally your back strap now becomes just like diamonds, almost like jewelry across your back, which looks way more intentional than like, here's my bra strap, I'm on the third latch. Like, that's not cute. I'm gonna show you.
Okay, so how does this work, Claude? Okay, so now I'm actually just gonna place it. So literally, you guys, it's Velcro on that side. Yeah. Open it up. Okay.
Watch.
So I'm just gonna place it like that.
Boom, check it out. That looks like it's a part of the outfit. This little snake print with some leather. It worked. See that? Can you see that? Okay, we've also got nipple covers. Now, most of us on The Real wear these because it's freezing on our set at The Real. So everybody knows what happens sometimes when it's cold. That's why the term is a little nippy out. You definitely want these covers. And what I love about these is, again, it is gentle, but at the same time doesn't give a crazy appearance. They're just perfect. These are by S Enchanting, but I swear it to you, there's also a brand that's carried in like all the local drugstores. It's called Hollywood Fashion Secrets, and they sell this, they sell double stick tape and so many other things. So I love that everybody's becoming a bit more familiar with these secrets, and they're not so secret anymore. Now, I'm not gonna front. When I was a teenager and I hadn't quite developed yet, I was obsessed with these cutlets. I think I bought my first pair, I think it was like at Victoria's Secrets, and they actually used to sell them the full versions that even had like a nipple attached to it, and they looked so real, and I was like, oh my God, I felt so grown up. Well, this is still kind of the same concept, but this actually is half of a cutlet, and it still gives you somewhat of a lift. Oh my God, it feels so real. It's got jiggle and everything, people, and it kind of looks like a chicken cutlet. I can Parmesan this joint right here. Batter that and put some breadcrumbs, you're good to go. You can even use these in your bathing suits. Like, I know some people are like, wait, like sometimes a bathing suit doesn't fit right, or you just want a little bit more cleavage in a bathing suit. You just tuck this right in there. It actually is intended to go on the outside, and this will lift and also give you more fullness on the sides to create a more rounder appearance of your breasts. This also is from S Enchanting as well, but they're available in so many places. Almost every single department store either has them, and definitely I know they sell them at Victoria's Secret as well. So the next thing is gonna be double stick tapes, which I know we've heard about for so long, but trust me, you don't wanna use like the double stick tape from the school supplies section. The stick will not be strong enough. You wanna get some like heavy duty double stick tape, which either like hold something on so that it's not like flapping off, then you're gonna have like a major wardrobe malfunction. So the secret in Hollywood is to actually not just use double stick tape, but to use what is called top stick, and it originally was used to hold on wigs or toupees for men. You guys, this stick is heavy duty. Nothing will move out of place. You can literally have a dress that's completely open and you can pull it in and it will not move. This is definitely the kind of tape that I use when I wear those blazers with nothing underneath. Like what I used for my campaign for XIXI, I definitely used the push-up tape, and then to make sure that it wouldn't open, I double sticked with this tape right here, top stick. It works perfectly. Like for instance here, let's say this kept opening like that. I could literally just place this here. Okay, see? And now watch. You wanna definitely lay it down exactly where it would end up being. And now that will not move. Do you see that? That will not come out of place. Another piece that I love to use is a good strapless bra. Now what I love about this is, again, if you have a backless situation, maybe it's not completely backless, maybe it has a drape in the back and you don't wanna see the full strap go across, this is the perfect alternative. And what I love about this one specifically is that it's reusable. So you actually just put them in there, and I love, look at the push-up on the inside. So perfect to make sure that you create the perfect shape. And you're just gonna go in and pull up, and you're going to double stick. Now, again, if you're worried that this is not going to hold, I personally would come in with double duty, and I would extra stick it with some of the super stick tape as well. And again, this is reusable, so you can actually just clean that off with water on the sides, and it actually still activates the adhesive all over again. They have these available at so many stores, but this one is from Victoria's Secret, which is like in every single mall, so easy staple piece. Sometimes if I have a shirt that's way too low, one of my favorite secrets is actually pulling it up from the top. I actually will safety pin it with one of these jumbo safety pins, and I'll wear my hair down so nobody ever knows, but I'll feel secure. So personally, I think something as simple as a safety pin can play so many different tricks. Again, I've even used this with halter tops or with my bra strap if my bra strap keeps popping up. And I also did it in that beautiful tiered red dress for the holiday video. Go reference back to that. Another really awesome trick that maybe won't work for your day-to-day life, but if you're ever taking a photo or you're in a photo shoot, people do this all the time in Hollywood. You literally can cinch things. Some of it is just as simple as a safety pin. Well, this here is as simple as a clip. So, let's say I have a blazer on like this, which we always do this for my photo shoots. We cinch things so that they can look smaller than they really are, especially for me because I have hips and I tend to be really curvy. It's so important that we accentuate the parts of me that are tiny, like my waist. So I'm gonna have Grace help me with this so that you can actually see how it goes, because I can't really clip myself. So you need to get a cute girlfriend that's gonna come through and help you, like Grace. So you see the back of this?
And this is just for photo shoots, or but we use the pin.
Do you see how we brought it in and it doesn't, now it has more exposure in the front as opposed to completely covering and giving more of a boxy shape? Even if I got a dress that's maybe too big for me and that was the only size they had, but we need it for a photo shoot, we'll just get it, and literally, there are some photos that the dress was literally like 3 times too big for me, but we clamped it and sat me in the perfect position for a good old hashtag OOTD. One of the other things that a lot of people have noticed is that I have a really tiny foot, so it's very rare that I'm wearing a pair of shoes that actually fit me. My sneaker size is like a 2.5 in kids, and for shoes, I probably would be like a 3.5 or a 4, but most women's shoes start at a 5. So the key is to actually get something in your shoe that allows you to get a better grip inside of your shoe and also creates comfort as well. So I love these little jelly cushions that you actually can put inside of your shoe, just like this. And what I love is that it stops your foot from slipping all the way through. Have you ever seen that when it looks like platypus foot? And it's just like all slid through and sweaty and like hanging over the front. That ain't it, that's not cute. You definitely need these cushions to stop your foot from slipping all the way through. It also takes up space. So if a shoe is too big on you, you definitely want these as well because it'll hold your foot right in the right position. And here's another trick. If you've got brand new shoes and you feel like you're slipping and sliding everywhere with them, you definitely want grip pads. Peel this off like so, and you're gonna place that under the shoe. When I tell you, you will not be slipping and sliding anywhere. You will not be slip sliding away. This will make sure that you have a sturdy foundation. I love that because I know sometimes I get shoes that are like super beautiful, or even Louboutins. You don't wanna mess up your red bottoms. This is also a great option for that. A brand of the gel pads actually were House of CB London. They're also a great clothing company, love them. But these are shoe gel insoles. I think it is so important to be comfortable. So this next tip is about comfort, and this is actually called supportables. And it says practical solutions just for you, and it's for bra strap comfort. Please comment below if I'm the only one that feels like my bra strap is trying to kill me. When I was younger, I don't know, I used to love sleeping in my bra, which I'm not gonna lie, I still kind of do if I just fall asleep in it. But there are certain bras that I swear are like murdering my circulation, and they end up leaving crazy marks on my shoulders. So if you are one of these ladies, trust me, this is the solution right here. Pretty much you're gonna lay your bra strap inside of this, so I'll kind of show you how it works. Even with the strap that I have for my SPANX. And I'm going to place my bra strap on the inside of that. Did you see how I just did that? And then you are going to just place that on your shoulder. There we go. Oh my gosh, that feels amazing. How genius is that? Am I the only one that has to like adjust it? So I'll put it in one spot for a few hours and then I'm like, okay, let me move it to the other spot. And you're like messing around so that it doesn't leave that one line because it's hurting so bad. Let me know in the comments below. But I think this right here is the answer to our problems, people. I hope that this helped you guys in so many different ways today. Let me know in the comments below if this helped you out, and also put us ladies onto any other tips that you guys may have. I love reading what you have to say, and can't wait to see you next time. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe.